Hi, Krissy.
Hi.
Today we're going to be learning about the abacus. The abacus is a tool that you can use in your math class. It can help you with adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying, anything you want to do on it, basically.
Oh, wow.
But today we're just going to learn some basics. We're going to learn the parts of the abacus and how to set numbers on the abacus. So, are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Great. Okay, so this is the abacus. Obviously, you can't see it. I'm going to hold your hand and put it in. Is that okay?
That's perfectly
okay. All right, so this is the abacus.
Mm-hmm.
First thing you have to know is that the best way to use it is to lay it flat on the table. So if you want to lay it flat for me, good job. Okay, so the parts. The first part we're going to learn is the separation bar. Okay, so I'm going to hold your hand again and I'm going to show you where it is. Is that okay? Okay, so this is, see how it's in a square like this, or a rectangle?
Yeah.
There's a bar right in the middle that goes through it, and that's called the separation bar. Feel it?
Yeah.
Or not? It's this bar here.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Yeah, and that separates the beads, which now we're going to learn what those are. There are 1 beads and there are 5 beads. The 1 beads are the ones on the bottom. See these? There's 4 of them in each column. Those are the 1 beads, and they each represent 1 unit. Okay? And these on the top of the separation bar are the 5 beads, and each one of these represents 5 units. Okay? And the next thing we're going to learn is the unit lines. The unit lines are on the separation bar. Feel how there's dots and lines? The lines are the unit lines, and they represent kind of the comma that would be in a number. If it was like 1,200, there's a comma, that would represent the comma.
It would be a dot or a line?
The lines. The dots just show you where the individual columns are, and the lines represent the comma. Right. Okay, so you think you can remember any of those?
I think I can remember all of them.
Okay, can you tell me where they are?
These are the 5 beads.
Right, good job finding those 5 beads.
And these are the 1 beads, and this is the separation bar.
Yep.
And it's in a rectangle.
And
it has dots and lines on it.
Right.
Dots are the commas.
Right. Good job. You found all of the parts.
Thanks.
Okay. So next we're going to learn how to set numbers on the abacus. So this is going to be a little bit harder, but we'll learn it together. I have 3 numbers out for us, and the first one is 15. So we're going to learn how to set that. How to set a number is, since each 1 bead represents 1, the first column, here, I'll start that over really quick. The first column, see where the dot is?
Yes.
This is the ones column, and then it goes up from there. So this would be the tens column.
Okay.
The hundreds. Okay, so the number 15. First, we're going to set the 10 that's in the 15. So how do you think we can do that?
With one of these?
Yes. So set one of those.
How do you set it?
You just move it up. Good job. Good job setting that 10. So next we're going to set a 5. How do you think we can set a 5?
One of these.
Yeah, good job. So set the 5s.
So I push this one up too.
You push it down.
Okay.
And also the 5 columns, the 5 beads, they also go up. So the next 5 would be 50, and then 500, 5,000. See what I'm saying? Okay, so good job. You set 15. That was really good.
Oh, thanks.
So now we're gonna clear this number.
Clear it.
So how to clear it is it'll go to 0 position, what we call 0 position, and that's when all the 1 beads are down and all the 5 beads are up. So if you want to set that, good job. Good job setting that to 0 position. So now we're going to set a little bit higher number. It's 246. So first we're going to set 200.
Okay, so I move 2 of these.
Yeah. And then you want to set a 40.
Do I move 4 of these?
Mm-hmm. Good job. And now you're going to do a 6.
Which is a 5 and a 1.
Yeah, good job. Good job setting that 6. All right, so now we're going to set it to 0 position again. Good job. Good job setting those beads. Now we're going to do an even higher number. This is going to be the 7,198.
Okay. So 7,000.
Mm-hmm.
But there's only 4 of 1,000.
Right. So you're going to need a 5 bead, right? To add up to 7.
You're right. Okay. It's this one, right?
That is the hundreds column.
Oh.
So remember where the comma would be? The 7 will be right before the comma, which is the unit column.
Okay, so one of these.
Mm-hmm. So that's 5,000.
And then
6,000, 7,000. Good job. Okay,
and what was
so
the rest of it?
now we're going to set 198. So 100. Good. And then 90. That's the hundreds column. You're going to want to put 90 in the tens
so 90.
column. Yeah, that's 50.
50. 90.
Good job. And now the last number is 8. 2. Good. You set 7,198. And you always want to remember to clear it to 0 position when you're done.
All right.
Good. Okay. That was really good, Krissy.
Oh, thanks.
So today we learned the parts of the abacus, and we learned how to set numbers. You're going to have a lot of opportunities to practice this later. Next time we hang out, we're going to review it, and we'll even learn some new skills like adding. And
Next time we hang out.
Next time we hang out and we learn together. And you can also use this at school. Like maybe if you're adding a problem and you don't remember what the first number is, you can, like if it's 200 plus 300, you could set the 200, and then whenever you need to remember what you were adding it to, like you're on 300, oh, what was I supposed to add it to? Oh, go back to my abacus, 200. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And you can also practice independently at home by yourself, like as much as you want. You can get your mom to write out some numbers, and she can read them off to you, and you can set those numbers.
Yeah.
It'd be a really good practice for you.
Okay.
All right, and so next time when we see each other, we're gonna learn some more skills, and I had a really good time learning abacus.
It was
with
a great time.
You did a really good job.
Thanks, Lindsay.
I'm really excited for next time.
For next time we hang out.
Oh no. Bye.